on dirt, you think? No. And now I'm a day behind. I'm never gonna get out of here.
You need a new paint job, man.
No, thank you.
How about some organic fuel?
That fake juice?
Pass. Woo! Watching him work is making me thirsty. Anybody else want something to drink?
Nah, not me, Flo. I'm on one of them special diets. I'm a pre-seasonal instrument of speed and aromatics.
You race like you fix roads. I'll show you. I will show you.
Music, sweet music.
Maybe this wasn't such a good idea.
Radiator Springs! A happy place! Oh, okay, Bessie, you think that's funny? Great! I'm talking to Bessie now! I'm talking to Bessie!
Wow.
Morning, Sally. Hey, look at this here fancy new road that Lightning McQueen done just made.
Yes, amazing.
Ooh, Ramon. Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Well, then let's cruise, baby.
Low and slow.
È bellissimo, it's beautiful. Guido, look, it's like it was paved by angels. Oh,
I tell you what, I bet even the roads on the moon ain't this smooth.
Doc, look at this. Should have tossed him into a cactus a lot sooner, huh?
Well, he ain't finished yet. Still got a long way to go.
Guido, look at Luigi. This is fantastic.
That looks like fun. Mater, I got dibs. Next turn.
Hey, Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
Oh, that crazy old devil woman. Oh, oh, oh. She's right. Guido!
That punk actually did a good job. Well, now, where the heck is he?